Have video script, how to make an origami seagull with money. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to create a graceful origami seagull using a dollar bill. It's a fun and simple model, so grab your bill and let's get started. First, fold your dollar bill in half. This initial fold is the foundation for our seagull, so make sure it's clean and precise. Next, unfold the bill and fold both sides inward to meet the center crease. This step begins to shape the body of the seagull. Align the edges perfectly for a neat result. Now fold the bottom edge up. This starts to form the base of the seagull's body. Press down firmly to secure the fold. Repeat these steps with another bill and then attach the two pieces together. This forms the complete body of the seagull. Make sure everything is aligned well. Now, fold the bill as shown to create a square shape. This fold starts to give structure to your seagull. Keep your folds sharp to maintain the shape. Next, fold the square into a triangle as shown. This step begins to form the wings and tail of the seagull. Be careful with your angles for the best results. Unfold slightly and follow the guide to shape the seagull. This step adds detail and depth, bringing your seagull to life. Adjust as needed for a clean look. Now, fold the wings out to each side. This gives your seagull its characteristic wing spread. Make sure the wings are even and properly aligned. fold the bill in half. This solidifies the structure and helps the seagull take shape. Next, fold the tail of the seagull. This step adds the finishing touches to the back of your seagull. Keep those folds precise. Finally, fold the top to create the head of the seagull. This final step completes your origami seagull, giving it its distinctive look. And there you have it, your origami. Origami seagull is complete. Awesome job, everyone. You've just folded a beautiful origami seagull. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like, subscribe, and share your creations with us in the comments below. Keep folding, and I'll see you in the next video.